Okay, so if you haven't experimented with widget themes at all, I'm going to give you the basics here. It's, in my opinion, right now the very best practice you can use for styling widgets until they get to the point where we can create our own themes, which I think is coming in short order. Looks like they're all set up for it, but it's not available right now. So to make a widget skin, first thing you do is you take a template. A widget skin is per component or per widget type, so you need skins for the button and skins for the text input. I'll make one for this text input. Let's just make it really ugly. We'll do black text. We'll do a green background, and we'll do a red border. Sort of a Christmas theme. We'll right click on this, save as widget skin. We'll call this Christmas. Be our Christmas theme for text inputs. So now to apply that theme to other text inputs, just go to Skins, Widget Skin, select Christmas, and it's that easy. This first one I'm going to clear out the styles. So I've put some skins in here that aren't quite so ugly. We'll go with dark for each of these, and you can see how quickly you can apply the skin to them. It's just a one menu thing. I've got some button ones, so that's standard. These are all standard buttons. Oops. And I've got one for the default button. So there, we've got a nice look. Now here's the second powerful thing, other than just quickly applying, is now that I've got my styles in place in application CSS, which is at the root of your web folder, it specifies all the CSS for your skins. So say for instance I wanted to thicken the border on my default button. I could change these all to 6, and I do that in one place, save. I'm going to need to close and open index to see the changes. And you can see that the border grew. Now if I had that skin on other buttons throughout my application, it would all be consistent still. So I'll go back and change that back. That's the big plus, is you change it in one place and it updates everywhere and keeps your application nice and consistent. I'll show you one other interesting thing you can do. So I've got a button here. Sorry, let's update this so it looks properly. Close and reopen. So we've got our view proper again. We'll go to this Apply Themes button, add an on-click event. So if you go back to Application CSS, this is we're going to work with this TI first name. So TI first name right now has the dark theme. So we're looking for text field dark, which is right here. So I'm going to grab this part of the CSS class, and we're going to go into the button code, and we're going to go get that TI first name, remove class, and in quotes put that name of that CSS class, and then same thing, add class, and we're going to add this one called error. Where is it? Sorry. Text field error right here. So I'm going to grab the second part of this, go to the button, add it in. So that should swap out the style. So let's go to the browser and run. You can see I was experimenting with it before. We'll click Apply Theme. There you go. So if you had data validation or anything like that, you could use a widget skin in that use case as well. So I'm still experimenting with these quite a bit, but to me, until they have, again, user-defined themes for the entire application, this is a great tool to use.